Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, so if you want, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you want to remove more advanced browsing data, simply tap on this option, Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some options from which we can pick. So browsing history, cookies, and save data, and cached images and files are more basic. And here advanced, like passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. So simply pick the option you want to use and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.